Hey guys, so in part 8 on the how to build a social media app using Laravel, we'll be building this timeline over here. So if you go over here to timeline, and this will show only posts of users that you follow. And also if you'd like the code to this project, then you can click the link in the description to the GitHub. And if you'd like to follow along with this tutorial, then watch this video. Okay, so to get started, what we're going to do is set up the route for our timeline. So we'll show only users that we're following. Okay, so back in VS Code. Okay, so over here in our routes, we'll just create a new one underneath here, and we'll call it timeline. Okay, so it will be route get timeline. Okay, and this will call the timeline controller. So we'll make this as well after. Okay, and then I'll call the index method. Okay, and then I'll just give it a name, and it'll be called timeline. Okay, and just don't forget to close out the bracket here. Okay, and just double check, and again, we need to import the timeline class. Okay, so let me just import this. Okay, so that's added, and now we just need to make that class. So we'll open up the terminal here. Okay, and then we'll do PHP artisan make controller timeline controller. Okay, so now our controller has been created, so let's open that up. Close out our terminal here. Okay, so what we can do over here is first we need to import our post. So we can just copy code from our post controller. Just get the post here and then the index view. Yeah, so just move this here to make it easier. So we need to import the post model. Okay, and then let's just write the index function. So it'll be public function index. Okay, and then open that up. Okay, so first we need to get the user. Okay, so we'll do user is equal to auth user. Okay, and then we'll get the IDs of those you're following. So following IDs is equal to user followings plus user's ID. Okay, and then we'll get the post here. So post is equal to post with user likes comments.user. Okay, and then I'll just break it down here. So where in user underscore ID and then following IDs. Then give the latest post and make it paginate by 10. Okay, so we're just getting an error here. So what's the problem? Oh, so I just forgot the bracket here. Okay. And this one as well. So just double check your brackets. Okay, and then after you get this data, we'll return the view timeline index. And then compact the post data. Okay, and save this. Okay, so next let's create the view. So again, we can create a new folder and we'll name it timeline. So views, new folder, name it timeline. Okay, and then in there, we're going to create a new file. Just name it index.blade.php. Okay, and then we're going to create a new file and name it index.blade.php. Okay, great. Okay, so essentially we can just copy what we did from our post index here. Okay, so just copy everything here and then we can paste it in our timeline. Okay, so let's just double check. Okay, so we can just change some stuff here. So we can change this to your timeline. Okay, and then just check here. So post as post. So I'll just show all the post data here, including the images. Okay, and then I'll just add in just some validation. So if you're not following anyone, we'll just say there's no post available. So we can just change this to add for else. Okay, and then just end the one down here. Okay, and then right above it, so if it's empty, then you can just say your timeline is empty. So we'll just do a list item and give it a class of xgray600. Okay, and then just open it up here and just say your timeline is empty, follow some users. Okay, and save this. Okay, and then lastly, let's just add it to our navigation again. So go here into layout and then navigation, and then over here, so let's just remove the dashboard link because there's nothing there. Okay, so we'll just make this timeline. Okay, and then route is timeline, and then just change the name here to your timeline. All right. Oops, so it just changed the route here. So what did we have? So timeline.index. Okay, and just change the capitalization. Okay, let's check our application now. So we just have an error here. So let me just refresh. The timeline.index is not defined. So let me just change that to timeline and see if that works. Okay, great. So that seems to process. So let's go to your timeline. Okay, great. So you can see just posts of users that you follow here. And then you go here to all posts. You can see the other posts here. Okay, so let me just unfollow this user and then see if there's no posts in the timeline anymore. So unfollow and go to your timeline. Your timeline is empty, follow some users. So great, so this is working. So I think this concludes the social media app using Laravel series, as we pretty much have most of the social media functionalities, such as making posts, commenting and liking, and following users. So I think it's a good place to conclude this series. Okay, so in the description, I added the link to the GitHub so you can get access to the code that we've been working on throughout the series. And again, if you have any comments or any other features that you want me to work on, then please let me know and I can work on it in a future video. So this concludes the end of the how to build a social media app using Laravel. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials and were able to follow along and learn more about Laravel. Again, if you want the code to this project, you can click the GitHub link in the description. And if you need help with any Laravel projects, then you can contact me at maplitmedia.ca. And thanks for watching.